how to download and install MATLAB in 2026. For that, open up a browser and type MATLAB in the search bar and hit enter. From the first official link, MATLAB MathWorks, click on it. Then select United States or your location. Click on Get MATLAB. Click on Create Account. Enter up your email and then click on Next. Click on Continue anyway and set up a password over here and click on Next. And here enter up the OTP to verify your email. Click on I accept the online service agreement and click on Next. Type in your first name and then last name, location and what best describes you, and select the age. I'm going with yes for now and click on Next. And here click on Get a Trial, click on Submit and click on Install MATLAB over here. Click on Download for Windows and click on Open File. Then it will unzip all files in the self extractor file to the specified folder. Click on Yes. And here our MATLAB has been downloaded completely. Type in your email and click on Next. Type in your password and click on Sign In. Click on Yes to accept the terms of the license agreement and click on Next. And then click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. And from here, make sure MATLAB is checked and then click on Next. You can click on Add Shortcut to desktop and click on Next. Click on Begin Install and it will install our MATLAB. It will take some time. Wait for it. And once the installation is completed, click on Close and from the desktop shortcut or go to search bar and type MATLAB and open it. And here you can see that our MATLAB has been successfully installed in our PC. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.